Please subscribe for updates and help us grow. Reliance JIO announces additional 1.5 GB data offer on every prepaid plan. Reliance JIO has come with a new offer for its prepaid subscribers, which is to offer extra 1.5 GB data with every prepaid plan on a daily basis for a limited period of time. Yes, you heard it right. Instead of providing offers to segmented users, JIO has come up with an additional data offer to every subscriber. With the new offer, JIO has brought down the per GB 4G data value to just Rs 1.77, which is the lowest till now in the industry. Reliance JIO's entry-level Rs 149 plan now offers 3 GB of data per day for 28 days, which in turn makes 1 GB data value Rs 1.77. However, JIO is offering it for a limited period, which is between June 12 to June 30. JIO says it maintains the Everyday More Value (EDMV) promise it made during the launch of its services. Under the promise, JIO will offer the best tariffs in the industry to its subscribers. All the JIO prepaid tariff plans now offer additional 1.5 GB data benefit per day. The telco's 1.5 GB data per day tariff plans of Rs 149, Rs 349, Rs 399 and Rs 449 now offer 3 GB data per day. The 2 GB data per day plans of Rs 198, Rs 398, Rs 448 and Rs 498 will now give users 3.5 GB data benefit per day. The 3 GB data per day plan of Rs 299 now offers 4.5 GB data per day for 28 days, while the Rs 509 and Rs 799 plan now provide 5.5 GB and 6.5 GB 4G data benefit per day. Do make a note that the validity of the plans remains the same. On top of the additional data benefit, JIO is also providing an additional Rs 100 discount on all recharges of Rs 300 and above and 20% discount on recharges below the Rs 300 price point. Do make a note that the recharges should be done through My JIO app and the payment method should be phone pay. Along with the discount offer, the Rs 149 tariff plan will effectively come down to Rs 120, and at that rate, no operator is providing such benefit of 3 GB data per day for 28 days. The Rs 399 pack comes down to Rs 299, and it gives 3 GB data benefit per day for 84 days. Do make a note that the recently introduced holiday DHAMAKA offer is still applicable to the Rs 399 plan, and the Rs 100 discount is part of the same. As mentioned, this additional data offer is valid between June 12 to June 30. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button and press the bell icon after subscribing to get notified for all future updates.